Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a bank that's been getting a lot of attention lately, Does Bask Bank. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about Bask Bank? Well, for starters, it's a digital-only bank, which means it doesn't have any physical branches. But that's not all. Bask Bank also offers some pretty unique features and benefits that you won't find at your typical bank. So, if you're curious about Bask Bank and whether or not it's the right bank for you, then stick around. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. What is Bask Bank? Bask Bank is a digital bank that's part of Texas Capital Bank, a member of the FDIC. It was launched in 2020 and is designed to be a more convenient and affordable banking option for consumers. What are the benefits of using Bask Bank? There are a number of benefits to using Bask Bank, including no monthly fees. Bask Bank doesn't charge any monthly fees for its checking or savings accounts. High interest rates. Bask Bank offers some of the highest interest rates on its savings accounts. No minimum balance requirements. There are no minimum balance requirements to open or maintain a Bask Bank account. Early direct deposit access. Bask Bank allows you to access your direct deposits up to 2 days early. Free ATM withdrawals. Bask Bank customers can withdraw cash for free at over 55,000 ATMs nationwide. Excellent customer service. Bask Bank has a team of friendly and knowledgeable customer service representatives who are available to help you 24/7. Does Bask Bank have any physical locations? No, Bask Bank does not have any physical locations. It is a digital-only bank, which means that you can access your account online or through the mobile app. How do I open a Bask Bank account? Opening a Bask Bank account is easy. You can do it online in just a few minutes. Is Bask Bank safe? Yes, Bask Bank is safe. It is a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Additionally, Bask Bank uses a number of security measures to protect your information. Is Bask Bank right for you? Bask Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking experience. If you're someone who doesn't need to visit a physical bank branch and who wants access to high interest rates, then Bask Bank could be a good fit for you. So, there you have it. Bask Bank is a digital-only bank that offers a number of benefits to its customers, including no monthly fees, high interest rates, and no minimum balance requirements. If you're looking for a new bank, I encourage you to check out Bask Bank. If you're interested in learning more about Bask Bank, I encourage you to visit their website or check out some of their online reviews. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.